What's going on? We're back with another full day eating video where every single day I show you how to eat clean to be a lean machine. So whether you are looking to lose weight via losing fat or gain weight via adding muscle, it is one and the same. We make it simple, easy, and direct here. We don't steer you around corners and try to make you think something's more complicated than it is, because it truthfully is not. As long as you're consistent, hitting the gym, and eating clean, the consequence of that lifestyle is going to be you being a shredded beast, okay? So if you stick with the program, you get some inspiration from these videos. I have over 50 of them. I have 100 videos on this channel of just giving you free game and knowledge. Click through them. It's the best thing you're going to do for yourself. When people say invest in yourself, they forget a major part, which is investing in the food you're putting in your body so that you can output into the world. So we will go no further than that. The first thing I like to have is a chia seed pudding. And as you see, it's in a mason jar. It's ready to go. I open the fridge, I grab, I go. I head out the door. Of course, I'm making these videos now, so this is a step before that. But for you, you're going to grab that mason jar, throw it in the lunchbox, and you're out of here. High quality ingredients across the board. Everything from spices to the syrup to everything is all organic. That's the only thing we do. All organic unless the option is not there. Chia seeds, maple syrup as the sweetener, frozen fruit on top, almond milk, which is homemade. So both the overnight oats and the chia seeds have homemade almond milk. That part's not necessary. I always suggest get the almond milk or oat milk or whatever that has the least amount of ingredients possible. And I don't want somebody to hit me up with like, well, dairy only has one ingredient. No, it has about 1 million ingredients in there, all that pus and dairy hormones and animal fat. That is something that you're missing on that label there that they don't like to put. So anyhow, chia seed pudding, this is a great low-calorie option if you're looking to lose weight, but this is also a good starter if you're looking to gain weight because you're putting this in the stomach and then you're ready to eat more. So this can be for everybody. And then we have the overnight oats, which is a pumpkin spice overnight oat. Is that time of year now. It's fall, so we're going pumpkin. There is pumpkin puree in here as the pumpkin base. There is peanut butter in here for the high calorie option. Every overnight oat that we make has peanut butter in it because I'm a high functioning athlete. I need more calories. All you have to do is just not put the peanut butter in there and you are gonna be good to go. There's a cup of oats. If you're looking to gain weight, perfect. If you're looking to lose weight, just do half. Simple. Hemp seeds, about 5 tablespoons or so. So right there is about 20 to 30 grams of protein, plus the oats. Plus there's a tablespoon of chia seeds in here. So where do you get your motherfucking protein? Boom. Right here. This is high protein, believe it or not. That peanut butter, everything. Clean ingredients, lean machine. Everybody's so hung up on protein. You need to worry about your output though. You need to worry about putting good foods in your body. You need to worry about your output in the gym, actually putting in the motherfucking work. Forget about the protein powders. Forget about the bodybuilding supplements. Health supplements are good, and I'm going to show you what my health supplements are. I do not take bodybuilding supplements. I do take health supplements. This is not a vegan exclusive thing. Today I'm only taking 2. One is a multivitamin from Thorne. They have an AM and PM Elite Athlete multivitamin set. I do AM, PM, one, morning, night. And then I also like to do Irish sea moss. This is from Organics Nature. This is sea moss from the sea. It's not farmed, it's not fake. A lot of multivitamins, a lot of supplements are fake out there. Get quality brands, spend the extra couple cents. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. So you make your dollars and make it make sense. Spend it in places that actually make sense for you and benefit your health. That is going to start. This is the engine. You can't do any output. You can't throw a chain on a broken engine. Motherfucker. Spend first on food, then worry about the other shit. I can't afford organic. You can. I promise you can. There's areas in your life that you can organize better to set yourself up to where you can afford a couple extra cents per item. Promise you it's worth it. You're going to thank yourself later. You can thank me later. So that's what I'm going to have, rock and roll, really simple. I don't have my first meal until probably noon to 4 o'clock time frame, which is intermittent fasting. And as I say every video, I don't think that when you eat is what matters. That's just how I eat because it's natural. I think what you eat matters the most. So waking up and stuffing an egg McMuffin in your face at 4 p.m. just because you intermittent fasted doesn't do shit. Eat clean, be a lean machine, treat yourself like you matter because you do, and you are the person who cares about yourself the most. And if you don't care about yourself, what does that say for what everybody else should treat you like? So we'll see you here momentarily for meal number 2. Boom! Just like that, we are back from the gym. Little 2 days actions. I look so stupid shredded. Yes, indeed. We are having a tikka masala, cauliflower, chickpeas, all that type of fun. You're going to see an overshot view right now. Instant pot, delicious, nutritious, high protein, motherfucking high carbs, good fat. Really ain't no fat in there, but if there was fat.
Oh, there's cashew cream in there.
Oh, there's cashew cream. So there's even cashews.
And coconut milk.
Ah, and coconut milk. So that is good fat. Good carbs, good protein, good fat. You need those 3 ingredients plus some good sugar. If you know what I'm saying. But that's a carb anyhow. To be lean and mean. So I'm showing you this every single day. The proof is in the pudding. This is day 56. Okay, we're on day 56 where I have shown you my full day eating. We've only repeated a meal twice. Once or twice for dinner. For breakfast, that's a wash. That shit, you already know how I feel about breakfast. That shit should be easy, ready to go. Take it out the fridge, throw it in your lunchbox, get the fuck after it. Dinner time, you can be a little more complicated, but Instant Pot makes it easy for you. It's like a personal chef. You throw everything in there, chop, 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 throw it in there, push a button, set the time, go to the gym, come back. That shit is hot and ready for you. Yeah! So we will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace out.